Hi friends, I'm Jimmy D for Anyone Can Learn Guitar, and I wanted to show you this really cool 2/5 lick. I feel like it's important to learn 2/5 licks because when I was coming up and playing the blues, as soon as I learned to put the 2 before the 5, it opened up a whole nother world of guitar playing. It's a really cool thing. So what I mean when I say 2/5, for any of you that don't know this, if like you have a blues and you go, here's a 2, here's a 5. So instead of just going to the 5, oftentimes in jazz and in blues, they'll go to a 2/5. So it gives you different licks because you have that space there where you have a 2 minor instead of just a 5. And here's a lick that I just love to do over a 2/5. I lifted this off West Montgomery. And we're in the key of A, and I'm starting here on the 7th fret of the 2nd string. And then I play the 4th fret of the 4th string. And then 6th fret, same string. Then 7th fret, same string. Sorry. So it's the 7th fret, 2nd string, 4th fret, 4th string, 6th fret, 4th string, 7th fret, 4th string, and then we do the same motif on this string. 4, 6, 7, and the 2nd string, 5, 7, 9, back to 5. So when you come to that part where it goes, you play it. Again. Seventh fret, 2nd string, 4th fret, 4th string, 6th fret, 7th fret. Do the same thing on the 3rd string. And now we get to the 2nd string, 5, 7, 9, 5. And then go wherever you want after that. So in context, again, where it would lay out is if you do like a blues, 1. Here it is. So it's a really cool 2/5 lick, and what I love about it so much is, it's easy for me to get wrapped into playing the first position of the blues box, and I love any time that I learn a lick that gets me out of that just a little bit, especially something that close to the first position. And it applies to all your regular blues stuff that you got. Hope you guys enjoy this lick as much as I have, and I look forward to the next time. Thanks for watching. I'm Jimmy D for Anyone Can Learn Guitar. Peace.